Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling NFC and adding a payment card so the system can work instantly. Go to Settings, turn on NFC, then open your payment app and add a card, following verification prompts. This links the tokenized card to your device. Once done, make sure the payment app is set as the default tap and pay method. You'll know it's ready when the app shows an active card and a small contactless icon. Now you're prepared to tap a terminal. You'll now use the device at the terminal. Positioning matters. Wake or unlock the phone only if your wallet requires it, then align the phone's NFC area, usually the top or center back, over the terminal's contactless symbol. Hold steady for 1 to 2 seconds until you see the on-screen confirmation or hear a beep. This confirms the NFC handshake and token exchange. If prompted, choose the card on screen. Make sure to follow the merchant's prompts. You finish the transaction by checking the phone and merchant display for confirmation, then collect your receipt. If the tap fails, don't panic. First unlock the device and try again, or open the wallet app and select a different card. Sometimes moving the phone slightly or centering the NFC coil fixes it. If it still won't connect, ask the cashier to use chip insert or contactless alternate methods. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle NFC off and on, or restart the wallet app before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.